Natural disasters have always been present in this world. These disasters lead to loss of life and property, adversely affecting the livelihoods of people. We, the team of Sunbeam School Tara, have focused on the same. And the particular calamity that we have chosen are tropical cyclones, which include hurricanes and typhoons. Some of these cyclones are Titli, Amphan, Yas, etc. And these cyclones, it has been observed that the occurrence of typhoons and hurricanes have become more frequent in the Arabian Sea, the Bay of Bengal, and the Indian Ocean. In our presentation, we have focused on the reasons behind this, followed by methods of research, analysis of data, which help us to arrive at conclusions and benefits of this research. The main objective of this study and data analysis is to put forward the causes for these frequent tropical cyclones in these oceans and identify the next potential storm to be prepared for natural calamities and reduce, if not prevent, extensive damage and detriment caused.
This research was conducted online, keeping in mind the COVID-19 protocols. We took the help of the online resources as well as published journal to carry out our research. We collected the data of the past decade, that is from the year 2010 to 2020, regarding the rise in temperature of Bay of Bengal and Arabian Sea. Further, we collected another data which was about the frequency of cyclones or typhoons occurring in the Bay of Bengal and Arabian Sea each year. Then, we drew histogram for the ease of study. When these data were compared, interesting results were found.
In the research conducted by our team, we found that the rise in temperature of Bay of Bengal and Arabian Sea hugely influences the number of cyclones that hits the coastal areas of India every year. From the data of past 10 years, it was revealed that the maximum rise in temperatures was 0.95 degrees Celsius for the year 2020, and hence the number of cyclones were 8. Temperatures in the Bay of Bengal were between 30 to 33 degrees Celsius when cyclone Amphan formed in mid-May, and surface temperatures over the Arabian Sea were 30 to 32 degrees before the weather depression that evolved into Cyclone Nisarg. Scientists studying cyclone have observed that the sea surface temperatures in the Arabian Sea has been rising for about 40 years. The temperature of Bay of Bengal remains above 28 degrees Celsius usually. Such high temperatures aid rapid intensification of cyclone systems, and hence we find that rise in temperature is an important factor to the number of cyclonic activities that happen every year.
As a final conclusion to our research, we found how the rise in temperature has simultaneously led to the rise in the number of hurricanes and typhoons in the regions of Arabian Sea, Indian Ocean and the Bay of Bengal. The effects of global warming are way more far-reaching than we ever thought them to be. Our research was based on various creditable online sources like International Journal of Oceanography and Aquaculture, Financial Express and Wikipedia. We would like to thank our school and GEMS Education for inspiring us to conduct this research. Above all, this research reminds all four of us the adverse effect of not thoroughly thought human actions and our responsibility as a member of the global village we live in. Thank you and Jai Hind.